Good evening, folks. I thought we'd take a look at this trashy LED Night Rider style light, which I purchased a couple of years ago for a charity banger race project, which sadly fell through due to us not being allowed to take time off work. Yeah, so it's pretty much lay in my workshop until then, and I found it tonight while I was going through even more boxes. I know I'm always going through my boxes, but yeah, I found this tonight. I had to have a hunt around for the remote control, which is this generic, you know, infrared. You know, you've seen these before for various other applications, but yeah, it's just pretty much generic Chinese remote control. So yeah, have a look at the construction of it. It's about 55 centimeters long, about a centimetre and a half high, and about 5 or 6 mils deep, and it's got a sort of C-shaped plastic extrusion which the PCB slides into, and then that's just heat shrinked with some clear heat shrink and folded over at the ends. This end's got a little loop to offer some sort of strain relief, although the wires are getting at the side of the sleeve and is getting chafed somewhat on the edge there. Yeah, so on this end you can probably just make out there's an infrared receiver, and we'll probably expect to see a chip on board with a bit of epoxy over the top of it in the back there. Designed for automotive use primarily, however I don't know how long it would last. You know, if a stone hit it and, you know, sort of nicked the heat shrink, the water would probably, you know, rain and spray off the road would probably get into it quite quickly. So yeah, we'll just have a look at it. I'll show you the various patterns. And like I say, this was sold as a Night Rider style RGB light, and there's probably around 50 LEDs. I've not counted them up, but yeah, probably around 50 RGB LEDs, and those are interspersed with 120 and 271 resistors. And that's obviously with a classic Night Rider pattern there. And if I press the down button, that changes the colour. So that, yeah, let's say that's a classic Night Rider with the red LED. And we can adjust the speed as well. So that's its slowest setting. I think that's the fastest there. Yeah. What else have we got? It's a sort of classic police flashing. Again, we can speed that up if we want, and that's the fastest setting, I think, there. And then it'll just cycle through the colours, etc, etc. Automatic just cycles through all colour options and all patterns, and it's just one big cycle, and it'll eventually come back to the initial pattern and colour. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. I think when I bought this I paid about £12, including delivery from China. I haven't looked recently, but you probably get these for a couple of quid, maybe a fiver nowadays. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you. If you were thinking of getting one, I don't know why you'd want to get one, but yeah, that's what it is. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another video. Take care, bye bye.